Good afternoon, lecturers. My name is Lee Chen Yao, and here is my final internship project, Healthcare Facility Design Standards, where it is a collaborative project between SAA and MOHH. About the firm, SAA Architects, now part of Sabana Jurong Group, is a multinational firm located at 38 Clean Tech Loop with around 300 employees. Its design philosophy being urbanistic by integrating buildings with urban environment, humanistic in prioritizing user needs with empathetic human-centered designs, and optimistic, seeing challenges as opportunities for innovation. Furthermore, its company's direction mainly focuses on fostering collaboration and community-driven design, focusing on adaptable solutions for the evolving building industry. While specializing of different projects such as urban development and residential projects, my focus is on healthcare. One notable project is Woodlands Health Campus, which officially opened in May 2024. With its outstanding performance, eventually MOHH approached us for the standardization project. Before the standardization, let's understand more about the firm. As for my general company observation, it has an open work environment through promoting an open concept setting, encourages interactions across projects, with flexible work from home options. It also has a collaborative culture as teamwork is fostered through company events and cross-project dynamics. As for my personal team observation, leaders ensure precision in hospital room designs and has a collaborative efforts in standardization and technical teams, work closely, guiding interns of healthcare standards. For the relationship with external stakeholders, we have a formal engagement with MOHH, where design changes usually require justification. For the key people, SAA is the lead consultant while MOHH is the client, overseeing the standardization project. These are the key representatives who engage with the client and relay information to us through discussion. The executives handle layout studies, visualization, and standardization, which are then passed to the technical team. Our BIM manager focuses on advanced family modeling data and Connect X compliance report, while the BIM coordinator leads team collaboration, ensuring accuracy and consistency in the BIM models. As for the clients, we discuss the project timeline with the lead consultant. Considering multiple phases, these are the three key milestones. Approval from the authority, review by the cluster developer, and the finalization with the future developer. In summary of the project tasks completed for standardization, firstly, under MOHH, we are tasked to extract out the different BIM models provided by various contractors through the reference to Woodlands Health Campus with all the documented equipment. This includes completing the room layout and data sheets referencing to Woodlands Health Campus with utilizing different technical knowledge and additional plugins to increase efficiency, and creating an overall door schedule for different rooms in contributing to the master schedules with all the existing equipments in the Woodlands Health Campus, as I assisted the BIM manager in consolidating door schedules from Revit files into an Excel sheet, aligning with door standardization, which will eventually be used for tracking and verifying room changes in later project phases through various discussions. After addressing MOH's requirements, we move on to addressing the three cluster comments from each respective doctors and nurses. The three clusters comments being National Healthcare Group, SingHealth, and National University Health System. Firstly, cluster comments were provided and consolidated by us. We then have to discuss with MOHH by providing them with the different options in order to see which layout will be able to address most of the cluster feedback. And finally, we'll be presenting to the SWG regarding to the key comments we have observed by the cluster comments, followed by our major changes. At the same time, we'll be needing to adhere to each standardization that is provided by us. Since my internship did not cover the SRC phase, I focused on key standardization theories in hospitals that stood out to me. Firstly, the door usage in hospital facilities. Vision panel title is used in rooms requiring privacy but allowing visibility in movement, such as Class A 1 bedrooms, while Vision panel type 3 is used in high traffic area which require more monitoring, such as Class A ISO-B isolation ward for infection control. As for such usage in hospital facilities, is to increase capacity to help hospitals quickly expand to handle more patients during emergency, examples such as COVID-19 outbreaks, and resource efficiency to reconfigure space, maximize beds, equipment, and staff, ensuring efficient care during peak times. My significant contribution include, as for my role as a team player, as I continue to progress in our internship program, I decided to combine both my theoretical and technical knowledge to be able to apply this by independently tackling various scenarios without relying on guidance or instruction from full-time staff. And my role as a team leader, as I continue to build trust and gain validation from my team, I'm able to effectively motivate, guide, and support them. I focus on providing mentorship, convenience, and specialization to ensure we maintain high quality of work and consistency across all of our assignments. During my internship, I gained a deeper understanding of standard drawing, how contractors sync Revit models for accurate documentation, and the role of past projects in standardization. I improved my technical skills in Revit, AutoCAD, and Excel, enhancing my grasp of line weights, annotations, and documentation. Working in MNC exposed me to structured roles where I learned to motivate teammates and foster a supportive work environment. I also realized that even experienced full-timers may not always have the right answers, reinforcing the need for critical thinking and initiative in decision making. I enjoyed how our team stayed connected despite being physically separated, thanks to my supervisor's effort in team bonding and reflection during the hospital standardization project. Furthermore, my team's support during overtime went beyond tasks. They shared industry insights, career advice, and encouragement. Their informal conversations also made it easier for me to engage, ask questions, and learn beyond my role. Some challenges I encountered. Firstly, at the start of my internship, I struggled to keep up with tasks and felt pressured as the slowest in the team. However, eventually, I shifted my focus to trusting the process, gaining confidence in my abilities, and embracing challenges with a clearer perspective. This helped me to learn from my mistakes and refine my skills without unnecessary pressure. Additionally, I initially had trouble adapting to the work environment compared to other interns. However, eventually, I improved my eating habits, choosing water and fruits over unhealthy snacks, while also adjusting my sleep routine. This helped me feel less fatigued and more focused at work. Throughout my internship, I grew from a passive team member to a proactive contributor, gaining a deeper understanding of hospital layouts and how each facility's design is shaped by architects based on doctors' and nurses' feedback. I also developed technical skills in Revit, AutoCAD, Excel, and BIM coordination with the guidance of my BIM coordinator and BIM manager. Building trust with full-timers strengthened my critical thinking, leadership, and teamwork, allowing me to engage in problem-solving discussions and support my teammates. Overall, I am grateful to my supervisor and my full-timers for this opportunity, which has helped me to grow both technically and personally. Overall, enjoy the journey of your internship, embracing both the high and lows along the way. What matters most is absorbing as much knowledge as possible, allowing you to grow both personally and professionally. This experience will shape your aspirations and help you define the kind of person you want to become and how you would wish to contribute in the future. In the future, my aspirations after poly will be going to pursue the Sustainable Built Environment program at the Singapore Institute of Technology and potentially achieve a school scholarship from SIT and specialize in the sustainable build design as a sustainable engineer. And now we have come to the end of the healthcare facility design standards for my internship presentation. Thank you.